Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies Anna Olson full guide. Start by gathering room temperature eggs, unsalted butter, quality chocolate, and precise measuring tools. Cream butter and sugars until light, then add eggs and vanilla. Combine dry ingredients gently and fold in chocolate last to avoid overmixing. Chill the dough briefly, scoop evenly, and bake until edges are golden brown for perfect texture. Gathering ingredients properly makes a huge difference in results and consistency. Weigh or spoon and level your flour to avoid dense cookies, and use room temperature eggs so they incorporate smoothly. Opt for unsalted butter so you control seasoning, and pick good quality chocolate for flavor depth. Always check your leavening agent freshness and mix just until combined to keep cookies tender and chewy throughout baking. Small technique tweaks yield big improvements in texture and appearance every time you bake. Use an oven thermometer if needed to confirm accurate temperature, and space dough balls well to avoid merging. Scoop uniform portions so cookies bake evenly, and watch for edge color rather than center darkness to determine doneness. Let cookies rest a few minutes on the sheet before transferring to a rack to finish setting without losing chew.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.